Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Toyota remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. So first thing we do is we get our flat-headed screwdriver, and just at the bottom corner of the fob there is an indentation, just enough room to fit the blade of the screwdriver in, and give it a twist and it cracks the two halves of the case. There you go. The battery is situated in this housing here, behind the grey cover. So again, we get a smaller screwdriver, and just underneath the catch there, just prise it up, and there you go. There is your key fob battery. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2016, like this one. We just get our new key fob battery and we just simply pop it into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing upwards, like that, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it back together. So we get the grey cover, we just click it in place, and we just put the case in, back in to the housing, and now we get the cover. Make sure everything lines up, and we just click it back in place, and there you go, it's all done for you.